Hello friends, today we are going to solve MCQ on Henry Fayol's 14 Principles of Management. There are total 30 questions. The link for this MCQ is posted in description box. You can click on it anytime and you can appear for MCQ from anywhere. So the first question is Father of Modern Management, Elton Mayo, F.W. Taylor, Henry Fayol, and the answer is Henry Fayol. The picture talks about which principle? Principle of unity of command, division of work, unity of direction. This picture talks about principle of unity of command. This principle says employees must obey and respect rules of the organization. Principle of discipline, principle of unity of command, principle of authority and responsibility. The right answer is principle of discipline. Which principle says that each group in the organization should have the same objective to achieve? Principle of unity of direction, unity of command, subordination of individual interest to organizational interest. The right answer is principle of unity of direction. Principle of dash is based on a place for everything and everything in its place. Discipline, order, equity. The principle of order. Member of organization should receive orders from dash. Many superiors, one superior, all superiors. According to the principle of unity of command, there must be one superior. Scalar chain means the hierarchy of dash from the top level to the lower level for the purpose of communication. Discipline, unity, authority. The right answer is authority. 14 principles of management are developed by dash. F.W. Taylor, Henry Fayol, Peter Drucker. The right answer is Henry Fayol. Dash refers to the concentration of powers and authorities. Centralization, decentralization, authority and responsibility. The right answer is centralization. According to the principle of dash, employees should work as a group. Discipline, order, team spirit. The right answer is team spirit. That means esprit de corps. One head, one plan is stated in dash. Principle of unity of direction, unity of command, scalar chain. The right answer is principle of unity of direction. Dash is the principle of specialization, division of work, centralization and discipline. Division of work brings the specialization. The principle which deals with to do work with innovative way. Equity, initiative, order. The right answer is initiative. The principle of management which says unity is strength. Unity of direction, unity of command, esprit de corps. The right answer is esprit de corps. The principle of management that says the work should be divided into parts. Authority and responsibility, division of work, centralization. The right answer is division of work. The principle of management explaining the importance of fair payment to the workers, remuneration, equity, order. The correct answer is remuneration. The principle of management which states that employees should get orders from one head or boss. Unity of command, unity of direction, centralization. The right answer is unity of command. The principle of management that stresses on the stability of employees' tenure. Scalar chain, equity, stability of tenure. Of course, the right answer is stability of tenure. The principle that focuses on the same direction to be given to all employees doing similar activity. Unity of command, unity of direction, subordination of interest. The right answer is unity of direction. The principle of scientific management that focuses on team spirit among the members of the organization. Esprit de corps, equity and division of work. The team spirit means esprit de corps, that is unity is the strength. Henry Fayol has given different techniques of management. This statement is true or false. Henry Fayol has given different principles of management. So this statement is false. The principle of subordination of interest advocates that employees must consider the organization interest as primary. This statement is true. Principle of esprit de corps emphasis on individual work. No, it emphasizes on teamwork. So this statement is false. Principle of initiative refers to do the work in traditional way. It refers to do the work in innovative way. So this statement is also false. Job security minimizes employee turnover ratio. This statement is true. Gangplank helps in taking speedy decisions in emergency situation. This statement is true. Fair remuneration affects the productivity and efficiency level. No, fair remuneration improves the productivity and efficiency level. So this statement is false. Find the odd one. Principle of authority and responsibility, motion study, principle of division of work, principle of discipline. All these are the principles given by Henry Fayol except the motion study. So the odd one is motion study. Find the odd one: scalar chain, hierarchy, gangplank, time study. All these elements are related to the principle of scalar chain except the time study. So the odd one is time study. Find the odd one: teamwork, union, individualism, esprit de corps. All these factors are related to the principle of esprit de corps except the individualism. So the odd one is individualism. Now we will submit our answers. Your answers are submitted. You can view the score. Here we have got 30 out of 30. You can check your answers. If any answer is wrong, the correct answer will be shown. And in this way, we have completed this MCQ. Please subscribe my channel, like and share this video. Thank you. Take care.